Papua tragedy was a massacre that killed 31 workers of Fiji which were outed for a palm oil plantation located in the village of Merah, Pulut District, East Aceh. This accident occurred on August 9, 2001, where dozens of workers were forcibly grounded by non-organic CIN officers. They were lined up and then shot to death. Today, August 9, 2023, is even 22 years old. Until today, it has not been legally resolved. I am Muhammad Yusuf, Generation of Aceh Sumatra, National Liberation Front, ASNOF Denmark, heartily condemn Indonesia for this incident. There have also been many mass massacres in other places. Tragedy of Arakundo, East Aceh, tragedy of the FBI office was North Aceh, tragedy of Lady intersection, North Aceh, Rumah Gadang, tragedy and many other places. We hope that the international parties will try all human rights violations that occurred in Aceh which were committed by the Indonesian side. Free Aceh, free Papua, free Maluku.
Tragedi Bumi Flora adalah pembantaian yang menewaskan 31 orang pekerja PT Bumi Flora, Outdeling 8, sebuah perkebunan kelapa sawit yang terletak di desa Alui Mirah, Kecamatan Julo, Aceh Timur. Peristiwa ini terjadi pada tanggal 9 Agustus, tepatnya hari ini, di mana puluhan pekerja diringkus paksa oleh aparat TNI non-organik dan mereka kemudian dibariskan lalu ditembak mati. Hari ini 9 Agustus 2003 Hari ini 9 Agustus 2023 genap berusia 22 tahun. Sampai saat ini belum diselesaikan secara hukum yudisial. Saya, perwakilan koordinator Front Pembebasan Nasional Aceh Sumatra ASNLF Denmark, sangat mengutuk Indonesia atas kejadian ini dan juga banyak terjadi pembantaian massal di tempat lain. Tragedi Arakundo, Idicun, Aceh Timur, tragedi kantor KNPI Lok Semawe, Aceh Utara, tragedi Simpang KKA, Cat Murung, Aceh Utara, tragedi Rumah Gedung PD, tragedi Jambo Kepok, tragedi Betong Atuh, dan banyak tempat lainnya. Kita berharap pihak internasional mengadili semua pelanggaran HAM yang terjadi di Aceh yang dilakukan oleh pihak Indonesia. Aceh Merdeka. Papua Merdeka. Maluku Merdeka. Wassalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aceh, Papua, Maluku,